everybody, this is Vicki from Island Yarn. I thought I would pop on today and do a quick tutorial of these cute crochet puff stitch daisies. These are the things I've been using, all those Advent leftovers. I mentioned it on a podcast a while ago. And they're really fun. They're a great way to use leftovers. I'll do another tutorial later on how to join them up without creating endless ends. But right now you could just make like a bazillion of these with any small little leftover you have. So they're really fun and they're really quick. So if you just have like a couple minutes, you want to decompress, do a little thing, you could make a little daisy out of a leftover sitting around your house. I don't know if you guys have leftovers sitting around your house, but I definitely do. So you start it with a magic circle. We have a whole different video on the magic circle if you don't know how to do that. And you pull your yarn through and you just give it one little chain to anchor it in a little bit. Then you're going to work into the magic circle. But when you do a puff stitch, you do a lot of yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And you try to keep them loose. So you yarn over, you go into the circle, you pull through a loop, pull it up a little bit. Yarn over, go through the circle, pull it up, keep it kind of loose. I do this 5 times, so that was 2. So yarn over, go into the circle, pull it up, yarn over, go into the circle, pull it up, yarn over, go into the circle, pull it up. And then what you want to do is yarn over and pull through all these. And this is why you want it loose, because these ones on the end can get a little tight if you don't keep them loose. So you just pull it all the way through. It's a little wonky seaming at first, but then you do a chain stitch right here. Oops. To sort of make it more into a petal. And then on this particular one, I do 2 chains before the next one just to create a space in between. So 2 chains. And then you're going to do 5 more puff stitches around. So we'll do this one slow, and then we'll sort of go fast on the rest. So you yarn over, go into the circle, pull it up and loose, yarn over, into the circle, pull it up and loose, yarn over, into the circle, pull it up and loose, and one more. And then you yarn over and pull through all of the loops on the hook. And then chain 1. And we're going to do 2 extra chains, and we're going to finish this puppy off really quick. This is actually like one of the worst yarns I could use, but it'll be really cute when it's done. That's the thing. You can also do like any yarn with this, and they just come out really cute, even if in that moment you don't really love using it. You're literally going to use it for like 2 minutes, so no big. That one, it's a little splitty. There we go. So now we've got 3. There's my 5. Go in, pull it through. Chain, chain. 2 more. And you can let the magic circle get as big as you need it to be, comfort-wise, while you're doing this. Because at the end, you're going to see we're just going to pull it closed, and it'll be really cute. And just one more, a little petal. And then when you've done your chains at the end of the 6th one, you're just going to go into the very top of your first one, the chain that anchored it closed, and slip stitch to join that. And then you can cut that off and fasten it off. And then go back to your magic circle end. It's usually on the other side, but wherever it is, it's fine. And just give that a good yank. And then you end up with this cute little flower. Isn't that adorable? And then you make a million more of them. But yeah, it's really fun. It's a great thing to do with your little ends. And stay tuned, probably in the new year, for a video on how to join them all up. All right, I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Bye.